So, what is PAVO? Beth yw PAVO?
Mae Cymdeithas Mudiadau Gwirfoddol Powys yn darparu gwasanaethau hanfodol mwyn cefnogi sefydliadau trydydd sector ac I wella bywydau pobl.
Powys Association of Voluntary Organisations provides essential services to support third sector organisations and to improve people's lives.
PAVO aims to be a catalyst for voluntary action in Powys.
Nod PAVO yw I fod yn gatalydd ar gyfer gweithredu gwirfoddol ym Mhowys.
We want all voluntary organisations in Powys to have the skills, knowledge and confidence they need to thrive.
We aim to enable innovation and help groups to develop new services to meet the needs of their communities.
We want individuals to be able to achieve their personal goals and contribute to their communities through volunteering.
PAVO aims to provide a voice for voluntary organisations and community groups.
Nod PAVO yw darparu llais ar rhan mudiadau gwirfoddol a grwpiau cymunedol.
We want the views of individuals and communities to be heard and understood by decision makers.
We want the third sector to be able to engage meaningfully with public bodies.
And for public bodies to recognise and value the contributions of voluntary groups.
PAVO aims to be a hub of essential information and resources for the third sector.
Nod PAVO yw bod yn ganolbwynt gwybodaeth hanfodol ac adnoddau ar gyfer y trydydd sector.
We want the third sector in Powys to be well informed and have access to the resources they need.
We want voluntary groups in Powys to have opportunities to learn from and support each other.
We want more individuals to achieve what matters to them through connecting with third sector services.
We are PAVO.
PAVO ydyn ni.